Cardano's ADA is on the verge of a seismic shift. Get ready to see how it could flip both Doge and USDC in the market. Now, in this video, we're going to dive into a bold forecast by a top crypto analyst, 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗃, and break down the two key catalysts that might see ADA soaring to $7 and beyond. Okay, so let's jump right in with some exciting news. Have you ever wondered what it would take for Cardano to overtake giants like Dogecoin and USDC? Now, popular crypto analyst 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗃 recently shared some eye-catching and eye-opening insights on this very topic. Right, according to Warren, Cardano isn't just another altcoin. It has the potential to flip both Dogecoin and USD coin in the market rankings and even compete for a spot as the 6th or 7th biggest cryptocurrency. Now, currently, Cardano sits in the 9th position with a market value of roughly $28 billion. Meanwhile, USDC and Dogecoin are placed 7th and 8th with market caps of $56.47 billion and $38.57 billion, respectively. Now, this means that for ADA to climb past Doge, it would need to increase by about 40%, and for USDC, a whopping 110%, all assuming these tokens remain relatively stagnant. Now, Warren's forecast isn't just about the numbers. It's actually a call to pay attention to, right? Because he sees Cardano as having an unappreciated edge that could spark massive growth in the very near future. Now, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these insights they kind of highlight why keeping up with the latest crypto news is more important than ever. So what do you think? Could ADA really make that leap? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below or join us in our free Discord server linked in the description, and we can continue the conversation down there. Now, let's break down the two major factors that 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗃 highlights as potential game changers for Cardano's price, pushing it to an impressive $7. Now, imagine riding a wave of unprecedented market optimism, where every crypto kind of seems to be on the rise, right? It's a strong bull market. ADA is expected to experience a major surge. Now, bull markets characterized by, widespread investor confidence and significant upward momentum often lead to rapid price increases across the board. For Cardano, which already has shown notable resilience in the recent weeks, such a market environment could be exactly what's needed to trigger exponential growth. Now, here's where things really get interesting. What if the US government started using the Cardano blockchain for tracking spending? That's right. 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗃 suggests that if the US government were to adopt Cardano for this critical task, well, it could serve as a massive endorsement of the technology. To put this into perspective, there's already chatter about blockchain being adopted for federal operations. Remember Elon Musk's recent discussions around and about using blockchain for its operations within the Doge federal agency? Well, many believe that Cardano could be a prime candidate for such initiatives. Now, Warren goes even further, predicting that this kind of government adoption could boost ADA's market cap to an astonishing $250 billion. Now, with a circulating supply of 35.9 billion tokens, this market cap translates to a unit price of around $7 per ADA. Yes, that's a staggering 776% increase from its current price levels of roughly around 78 to 80 cents. Now, these factors aren't just numbers on a page, right? They're indicators of a larger trend that could reshape how we view cryptocurrency investments. Imagine the impact on an entire crypto market if such mainstream adoption were to occur. This is kind of like the blend of market dynamics and real-world applications that make Cardano's story, well, so compelling. Now, what would it mean for you as an investor if Cardano were to hit this milestone? You can let me know your thoughts in the comments or in the free Discord server. But wait, there's more to Cardano's journey than just these projections. Let's take a closer look at ADA's recent market performance and the growing optimism among traders and crypto commentators. For just a few weeks ago, Cardano hit a 3-month low of 63 cents on February 3rd. That could have been a red flag for many investors, but here's the twist. ADA bounced back to over 81 cents and then corrected slightly to its current trading levels of around 79, 78 cents over the past kind of 24, 48 hours or so. Now, ADA is up about 2.48% and it's shown an impressive 13.85% over the past 7 days from the point of recording. Now, this kind of resilience is exactly what you want to see in a token with long-term potential. Adding fuel to the fire, of course, you've got crypto commentator 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗠𝗪𝗓, right, who recently expressed a bullish view, suggesting that Cardano could even hit $10 by the end of the year. You're going to think about that, right? Moving from this current price to $10 kind of represents an astronomical 1,000% surge, right? While such projections may sound overly optimistic to some, they do highlight the confidence that parts of the crypto community have in Cardano's technology and market strategy. So what makes ADA so appealing right now? Well, it's kind of a combination of robust fundamentals and potential for governmental kind of endorsement, and of course the overall bullish sentiment in the market. Cardano's focus on scalability, security, and sustainability continues to set it apart from other cryptocurrencies, making it a favorite for both institutional and retail investors. Now, as we watch ADA's performance and its ability to bounce back from its lows, well, it's essential to kind of consider the broader context, right? Historical trends in crypto, they kind of show that after kind of significant dips, some of the most promising assets rebound stronger than ever. Now, is Cardano gearing up to be one of those success stories? Well, that's the big question, and one that only time will answer, of course. Meanwhile, the conversation is heating up. What's your take on ADA's potential here? Are you already holding? Are you waiting for a dip to jump in? Well, let's keep the discussion going in the comments or in the Discord. Now that we've covered off the specifics around Cardano, let's zoom out for a moment and talk about what these developments mean for the broader cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies are not isolated phenomena, right? They are a part of a larger interconnected ecosystem where the success of one token can influence market sentiment across the board. Now, when a token like Cardano, which boasts strong technological kind of fundamentals, starts showing signs of potential for massive growth, well, it can ignite investor confidence in the sector. Now, you've got to consider this, right? Every time a leading crypto is backing, or at least backed by real-world applications, right? Whether it's a government adopting the blockchain for transparency or a bullish kind of market pushing prices skyward, it creates a kind of ripple effect, right? Investors begin to see the potential in the underlying technology, leading to more capital flowing into the space. Now, this is especially true in markets where trust and reliability are as important as innovation. Moreover, in the current landscape where we are often kind of hear about Bitcoin trends or Ethereum's developments, Cardano kind of offers a refreshing narrative, right? It's not just about being a digital currency. It's about leveraging blockchain technology to solve real-world problems, right? As kind of regulatory environment continues to evolve and as governments explore blockchain for various administrative tasks, altcoins like ADA stand to benefit from this increased legitimacy and mainstream adoption. So what does this mean for you then? Well, whether you're an investor looking to diversify your portfolio or simply a crypto enthusiast keen on staying ahead of the curve, understanding these broader trends is absolutely key, right? You've got to be keeping an eye on the innovative projects like Cardano and how they can provide insights into where the market is heading next. And remember, right, as always, doing your own research and staying informed with the latest crypto news is your best strategy in this ever-changing market. Okay, so let's recap what we've discussed today. Cardano is positioned to potentially flip major players like Dogecoin and USDC, aiming to rank among the top 6 or 7 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. A robust bull market and possibility of US government adoption of the Cardano blockchain could propel ADA to a price target of around $7. Now, despite recent dips, ADA has shown strong recovery, and bullish voices in the community have even predicted a surge towards $10 by the year's end. Now, Cardano's progress, it isn't just a win for ADA. It reflects larger trends in the cryptocurrency market, where innovative blockchain projects are gaining real-world traction. Now, it's an exciting time to be following the crypto market, right? And the potential for Cardano to disrupt the current hierarchy of digital assets is both fascinating and a bit nerve-wracking for investors. As always, remember that while these forecasts are optimistic, the crypto market is highly volatile. So make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. So at this point, I'll remind you all that I am no financial advisor and I cannot offer you financial advice. But I do want to hear from you guys. What do you think about Cardano's future? Do you believe that ADA could indeed flip Dogecoin and USDC and even hit that $7 mark? Share your opinions in the comment section down below, but do be aware of all the scammers, or join us in our free Discord server linked in the description down below. And let's continue the conversation down there. Now, if you found this update useful and informative, smash that like button. The more likes we get, the further this video will be pushed on YouTube to reach more like-minded individuals and spread the word about Cardano. So let's get those likes up. And of course, subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the latest technical analysis or news when it comes to Cardano. Speaking of TA, you can check out my latest technical analysis right there.